Okay, so if you look at this, there are 6. We want 6 to be on the committee from 8 men and 7 women. So find how many committees are possible if there is no restrictions. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So that would be 15C6. That's a combination because the order doesn't matter. We're just choosing people for the committee. All members are female. So there are 7 females. So we're choosing the 6 from 7. All members are male. So there are 8 males. So we're choosing the 6 from the males. There are to be exactly 2 men. So that means that we choose 2 from the 8 and we choose the other 4 because it's got to make 6 from the 7. And do you notice every time when I'm doing this, that and that add up to 6, but the one at the top, the 8 and 7 add up to 15. They see 15 on top. Now, if you look at the next one, there are to be equal amounts of men and women. So what does that mean? So that means there's 6. So that means from the 8 you choose 3, and from the 8 men you choose 3, and from the 7 women you choose 3. There is a majority of women, so let's just do F down here. Majority of women would mean 4 women, or that means 4 women and 2 men, doesn't it? 4 women, 2 men, or you could have 5 women, 1 male, or you could have 6 women. Okay, so 4 women would be 7C4 times 8C2. 5 women would be 7C5 times 8C1. And 6 women would be 6 from, how many women are there again? 6 from the 7. So 6C7 and none from the males. Okay. So looking at the next one, a particular man must be included. So let's choose that man. And then I've got 5 and I can take it from the remaining people. There are 15 people. I've only done 1. I don't care if these are male or female. So I'm choosing 5 from the remaining 14. A particular male must not be included. Okay. So if I was doing that, I'd actually just exclude the male. So a particular male must not be included. I'd exclude the male. So that means you would only have 6 males to choose from, and there are 8 males. So you'd have 7 males to choose from. 7 males and 7 males, 7 females, so that's 14. So when you're choosing your 6, you choose 14 from 6. So just include that 1 male. Michael refuses to be on the committee with Claire. So the best way to attack something like that, if he refuses to be on the committee with Claire, you could do this in 2 different ways. But if you put them on the committee together, so you put them on the committee together, that means that you're going to include Michael and you're going to include Claire. Okay, and then when you do that, that means we don't care if they're how many boys or girls. So that means there's 15. No, haven't got 15 left. We've taken 2 away, so now we have 13 people to choose from. We've chosen 2 people on the committee already, so that means we must have 4. Okay, so that means if you did the total would be 15C6, and you take away 13C4 times 1C1, 1C1, which is actually equal to 1. Then you would be okay. You would get that they're not on the committee. So you do that they are on the committee, and then you do that they are on the committee, and you take it away from all the different possible outcomes. Because if they're either on the committee together or they're not on the committee together. They could be on the committee by themselves, like, The separate possibilities would be Michael's on the committee by himself, or Claire, is it Claire? Claire's on the committee by herself, or Michael and Claire are not on the committee. You could do all those possible outcomes, or you could just do the total minus they are on the committee together.